Hello everyone, and welcome back to another exciting video of the Sublimation Focus. In today's video, we will talk about the best 3D printers you can get for less than $1,100. The output of 3D printers will allow you to create exact models and objects that can be used for various purposes. This 3D printer is for users who demand an all-around excellent performance with no budget constraints. We all know that the quality of 3D printers can make all the difference in the result, so today we'll review some of the best 3D printers under $1,100. To help you out, we've compiled a list of the top 3D printers under $1,100 that have been reviewed and proven to provide excellent results. Each 3D printer is an excellent choice for any creative or professional project, and all come with great features that will take your 3D printing to the next level. For your convenience, we have also included the link to each 3D printer in the description box below so you can purchase them without the hassle. The best thing is that these provided links are updated daily to ensure you get the best deals in town. So without further ado, let's dive into our list. Number 1 is our Chidi Technology 3D printer. Are you seeking the ultimate 3D printing experience without breaking the bank? The number 1 contender in the race for the best 3D printer under $1,100, the remarkable Chidi Technology X Max 3. Get ready to embark on a thrilling journey of creativity and innovation with this cutting-edge marvel. Picture this, lightning-fast printing speeds that will leave you in awe. With a maximum speed of 600 mm per second and an acceleration of 20,000 mm/s superscript 2, this high-speed 3D printer is a force to be reckoned with. Say goodbye to lengthy waits and hello to instant gratification as your designs come to life before your very eyes. Versatility is vital, and the X Max 3 delivers in spades. Compatible with a wide range of filaments, from standard materials like PLA and ABS to specialty options such as PC and CF, this printer adapts to your every need. Explore new horizons, experiment with different materials, and achieve exceptional results every time. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link in the description box to purchase it right now. Number 2 is the original Prusa i3 3D printer. Do you want a versatile, reliable printer packed with cutting-edge features without breaking the bank? Then the original Prusa i3 MK3S Plus 3D printer is the perfect choice. This exceptional machine is the ultimate 3D printing workhorse that will unleash your creativity in the most fun and exciting way possible. With its DIY kit for self-assembly, you'll get the satisfaction of building your printer from scratch, or if you prefer, you can opt for a fully built and tested version. Whichever you choose, you'll experience the magic of the fully automatic mesh bed leveling process, ensuring precise prints every time. Forget about filament mishaps. The MK3S Plus has an IR filament sensor that detects when your filament runs out, pausing the print to save you from frustration. And with the filament auto-loading feature, you can seamlessly continue your project without missing a beat. Featuring top-notch components like genuine Gates belts, Bondtech drive gears, and an EINSY Rambo motherboard, this printer is built to impress. The 8GB SD card and US power supply make it even more convenient and ready to go immediately. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 3 is Creality 3D Printer Large Pro 3D Printer. The Creality 3D Printer Large CR10 Smart Pro 3D Printer is an optimistic and exhilarating choice for 3D printing enthusiasts looking for the best value under $1,100. With its all-new design, this printer sparks your imagination and injects fun into the 3D printing experience. One of the standout features is the real-time monitoring capability, thanks to the wide-angle HD camera and energy-saving LED light. You can closely monitor your printer's progress from anywhere, ensuring a seamless printing process. In terms of performance, the CR10 Smart Pro delivers exceptional results. The high-quality brass nozzles enable printing at temperatures up to 300 degrees Celsius, while the all-metal dual-geared direct extruders guarantee precise extrusion and reduce the chances of clogging. This versatility allows you to experiment with various materials and achieve outstanding print quality. The user-friendly design further enhances the appeal of this printer. The CR Touch Auto and manual bed leveling options allow professionals and beginners to set up their prints quickly. The responsive and colorful 4.3-inch touchscreen provides a delightful user interface, offering a wide field of view for effortless navigation. So if you like this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 4 is Flashforge 3D printer. In today's fast-paced world, where creativity and innovation are at the forefront, the Creality 3D printer Large CR10 Smart Pro 3D printer shines as the ultimate tool for creators. This printer is a game-changer with cutting-edge features and a price tag of under $1,100. With its seamless automatic bed leveling, you can say goodbye to tedious calibration processes. The rapid nozzle replacement, including hardened and high-speed nozzles, ensures precise prints at lightning speed, allowing your imagination to come to life in record time. The enhanced print quality is simply breathtaking. Equipped with 3 extruder fans, the CR10 Smart Pro guarantees impeccable finishes, while the flexible PEI platform makes print removal effortless, reducing the risk of damage and ensuring flawless results. The built-in HEPA 13 air filtration system ensures clean and breathable air in your workspace so that you can focus on your creations without worry. The Creality 3D printer Large CR10 Smart Pro 3D printer is the ultimate companion for creators, combining precision, speed, and affordability in one extraordinary package. If you are inquisitive about this 3D printer, check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. Number 5 is FIA Z9 V5 Pro 3D printer. The FIA Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's upgraded 3D printer is an absolute gem in 3D printing. It's a game-changer for enthusiasts and professionals, packed with incredible features and cutting-edge technology. With a price tag under $1,100, this printer offers unbeatable value for money. Get ready to unleash your creativity because the Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's takes printing to a new level. Its 4 extruder modules and 4-in-1-out hot end open up a world of possibilities, allowing you to print in a single color, double color, 4-color, and even mixed colors seamlessly. Assembling this beauty is a breeze, thanks to its 70% pre-assembled state and modular design. The Z9 V5 Pro 4 Malawian Kwacha's saves the day by automatically resuming your print exactly where it left off. The user interface is a joy to navigate, with a sleek 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen that makes operation crystal clear and super simple. Automatic leveling and a spacious printing size of 300 by 300 by 400 millimeters mean you can bring your ideas to life on a grand scale, suitable for various applications and fields. So if you are interested in this 3D printer, then check out the link provided in the description to purchase it right now. That's all from us in today's video. We hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer under $1,100. If you want to purchase any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box to get them right now. And if you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more awesome upcoming videos linked to printers.